Have you ever wondered how the rich, creamy butter you spread on your toast is made in massive quantities? Butter production is an incredible process that transforms fresh milk into a delicious dairy staple. Today, we take you inside the world of industrial butter production, where cutting-edge machinery and traditional techniques combine to produce tons of butter daily. From small batches in ancient times to highly automated factories today, butter making has come a long way. The demand for butter worldwide is huge, and modern dairy plants work around the clock to keep up. But what exactly goes into turning milk into butter at such a large scale? Let's break it down step by step. The journey begins with milk, but not just any milk. High-quality cream from dairy farms is the key ingredient. But before it can be turned into butter, it goes through several crucial steps. Let's start with the first part of the process: how milk is transformed into butter. The journey of milk to butter. The butter-making process starts at dairy farms, where milk is collected from thousands of cows. This milk is then transported in large refrigerated tankers to processing plants, ensuring it remains fresh throughout the journey. Upon arrival, the milk undergoes rigorous testing for quality and purity. At the plant, the milk is separated into cream and skim milk using a centrifugal separator. Butter is made from the rich, fatty cream, while the leftover skim milk is used for other dairy products. The cream then undergoes pasteurization, a process that eliminates harmful bacteria while preserving its natural flavor. Once the cream is pasteurized, it is aged for a short period to enhance the butter's texture and taste. The next step? Industrial-scale churning, where this cream undergoes a fascinating transformation into solid butter. Industrial butter-making machines in action now. Let's dive into the heart of butter production, where technology meets tradition. Inside massive factories, advanced churning machines process thousands of liters of cream every hour, turning liquid cream into golden, creamy butter. Churning is an age-old technique, but modern machines have revolutionized this process. These industrial churns use controlled agitation and temperature adjustments to break down fat globules, causing them to separate into butter and buttermilk. As the fat clumps together, buttermilk is drained away, leaving behind fresh butter. But the process isn't over yet. The butter must be worked and refined to achieve the perfect consistency before it reaches consumers worldwide. Churning and processing butter at scale. After churning, the butter undergoes further processing to ensure its smooth texture and uniformity. Giant rollers knead the butter, removing excess moisture and air bubbles while enhancing its spreadability. Depending on its final use, butter may be salted or left unsalted. Some varieties go through additional refining, such as whipped butter or specialized butter blends for baking and cooking. The final step in processing is shaping and cooling. The butter is molded into blocks, sticks, or tubs, then rapidly chilled to maintain its quality before packaging. Quality control and packaging process. Quality control is crucial in butter production. Before packaging, each batch undergoes rigorous testing for taste, texture, and purity. Specialized equipment ensures the butter meets strict industry standards. Once approved, the butter is packaged in airtight wrappers, tubs, or bulk containers. Automation plays a key role here. High-speed machinery fills, seals, and labels thousands of units per hour, ensuring efficiency and hygiene. After packaging, the butter is stored in temperature-controlled warehouses to maintain its freshness before it is shipped out to stores and food manufacturers worldwide. How butter is distributed worldwide. With demand for butter spanning the globe, efficient distribution is essential. Butter is transported in refrigerated trucks and shipping containers to ensure it arrives fresh in supermarkets, bakeries, and restaurants. From your local grocery store to gourmet kitchens, butter plays a vital role in countless recipes. Some factories even produce specialized butters for different regions, catering to local tastes and preferences. Whether it's European-style cultured butter or American-style sweet cream butter, factories ensure that this beloved dairy product reaches every corner of the world, keeping up with ever-growing consumer demand. Final thoughts and behind the scenes, and there you have it, the incredible journey of butter from farm to factory to your table. It's amazing to see how technology, tradition, and quality control come together to produce the butter we love. Behind every block of butter, there's a team of skilled professionals working hard to maintain quality and efficiency. Their dedication ensures that butter remains a staple in homes and businesses worldwide. So, the next time you enjoy a creamy, buttery bite, you'll know the incredible journey it took to get there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing insights into the world of food production.